Checkered sled, green flag from our track officials. Let's go semi truck pulling. The Cat Scratch Fever, Justin Frito, Salem, Ohio. And 44, we're going to see if he will take that if he's going to. We got 2 thumbs up. One thumbs up, we will leave the sled set as is. The other thumbs up, we're going to accept that hook. So 297 and 44, you can see Jerry. Not too far from home, over. Next up on our semi-side, we'll be looking for the 2-time champion of our Hot Rod Semis. Hot Rod Semis. Moving it on south. And if it's getting any more, Mr. Perfect. All right, we will mark the beat. 322 feet, .16322 and 16. A lot of bounce in there toward the end of his run there for Joe Galeto, the Sneaky Pete. Let's go back over to the Mac side, the Silver Bullet, number 2, Fred Sanders. Fred comes to us from Ravenna, Ohio. We currently have a Peterbilt in the lead, 322.16. Chris Wood, he was our 2021 points champion, currently leading here. At our first look at the semis at the World Series of Pulling, the Inaugural World Series of Pulling presented. All right, Fred Sanders, Ravenna, Ohio, the Silver Bullet, number 2 on our Mac Trailer Hot Rod Semis. Unfortunately, that bounce, I think, took them out of contention there. 291 feet, .40, 291 and 40. Once again, that track getting real tough on this competition.
Now the ET points champion with the Lucas Oil Propylene League Circuit, Ryan DeBrew. And we see Spencer Rook backing in here, Jerome'sville, Ohio, and the Hillbilly Deluxe, 1984 Peterbilt, 3406 Caterpillar underneath the hood. Spencer has taken over the driving here the last couple seasons of this truck. Saw him down at the Mack Trailer.
Green light on the decision maker sled. Green flag from our track officials. From Jerome'sville, Ohio, the Hillbilly Deluxe, Spencer Rook. Yeah, today will not be the day for Spencer Rook and the Hillbilly Deluxe.
Looks like we've seen a lot of white smoke out there.
Full spool of Joe Giletto. Got a Peterbilt in the lead. Chris Wood, the Class Act. He's leading the class. Second and final attempt for the full spool of Joe Giletto. Once again, we see that track there about the 275 foot mark. Get really tough on these semis. 18, which will put them into the